because of compare the understand. Every balance from the night, no man, right? It's so long from the education. So,
Yeah, but me tell you something I do say it, then you me I try to
and we have
come.
put out some stories of 5. Well, I give you the money that you can street from the one feeling again, again.
So after you tell somebody like that, you know,
No, I see I get your dreams.
look here, you see me you don't want to see me? You see me no want to see you either.
Me, I'm want to see a drunk like you there, because stop your brother. What you're not going to do, you put your stay at money, yeah? See you not on again. What?
So why are you threatening me like this so that me confused about?
Your mother, big stinking pussy wall.
Why you threatening me so for like you feel like me are some weak fencer? Me don't know if because me so calm, make you feel like say, me don't know you feel like
You a subscriber. Me not like it, so now what I go on. Me not like every time me hear them news, yeah, it have to involve with Jackie name. No. Allegedly also, because I'm not sure. But every time theme name swing cross with the message of them kind of condition, yeah. You know what I mean? What do you hear the popcorn thing? Before that, I did the two girl them, you know what I mean? From round to round so. And then now, allegedly, him again. No. Me not like the style. Me not like the sound. Viewer subscriber. So as you can hear the voice not play a while ago, you know. Them have a phone reason. You know what I mean? A bag of things I say. But me not like. Me not understand. The girl not like. The girl not feel comfortable in a female space in which him a force the girl to forward. But it seems that the girl did already depend on black already with him. But it seems that the girl cut off at the ends. And him goes and call about the girl and I say, Ray, what really go on? But more unlikely, something I'm going to watch you like. Here with the girl that say, yo, the girl that say, me give you everything what you want. And Ray. Right there and then, you know, it seems like him realize the girl really want to come back. So I write this and now, him starts see a bag of things. So, me not really understand. Like, me I try pray and I say, yo, why make every time that DJ, that singer, I fit in them kind of confrontation, yeah. You know what I mean? As me say, allegedly, me not sure for him because guess what go on? No name, no call. We not see no video if you say, alright then, them a reason on the phone, or them a reason face to face. Me say, yeah, I him that. But allegedly, every time you hear a name forward in the news or something about it, I guess I go on, you know. Me the inside, me yard, outside my house. You see me? And somebody say, yo, Irons boss, listen to that voice note here. And me I say, what go on? Let me check it out. It sound similar to a certain person. You know what I mean? I say, no, but this happened what day. And then before that too, and it can't happen again. So it's like me I feel say, yo, what's up? But here what go on, I'm gonna tell every DJ this. You see the people them having in a circle, or need to fix up that too. And if this are really the person who we assume to say are the person in that thing I go on now, me think him need to fix up him ego. Me have an ego when I work well. But I'm comfortable with it, but it don't work well with people. That's the thing, you know, because me like how me like, you know, but people don't like the way how me treat them, in which maybe the way how me treat them that nice to me. So if you go deep people, you have enough deep people. So I think that's one problem with the allegedly singer in this voice note. You know what I mean? So I not lie. I not like the sound. But here what go on now. I go play the full dialogue, you see me? I go play the full thing for you to listen. So what I go on now? I go want to let me know what you think about this in the comment section. What you think the DJ need to do or the singer need to do to stop reaching them point with them people here. Or what him need to fix within himself. Let me know, no? So what I go on now? I go play the full version, as me say. In the comment section, make a reason about it.
I'm just saying like, me this you, how me this you? You keep
they are good. And the
me there, house do all me suck your cat, me do everything, Yes, me
so
there, good.
So this by the phone.
No, me not shout it out on the phone. Me not shout, but me just assure you.
When I get on the phone, you come back for the money, you come back because better man can't finish.
Alright then.
Then what?
Huh? You want me to come pick up the money?
Yeah, I just come to you and tell you ready to come.
I already spent money for the hotel here, so you want me to come now or come early in the morning? I better if me come.
Why wouldn't you come now? Why did you get upset because you're there?
Okay, I'm gonna come.
So far are you from here?
I'm about like, well, from first guess me can reach it in less than 10 minutes. So it's kind of bad enough on the road.
So where your stuff come there?
My stuff's are with me in the car there. They're here. You put them in the car.
Come. Just come to me now if you can come now. Please come. I'm in the way you're gone. I'm not trying to stress out now for the time I need.
Okay, alright.
So I will see the rest of the I said to me, say, I'm not going. And no, sir.
But it's not like, I already explained something to me, tell us, I just did feel one way if you come to you and say no to you after. You easily shame.
Me not feel no way, but easily shame too. I did you put on left hand guy, and I'm a simple guy, I'm not fix a plan, just set up a trap.
What?
It's cool, man. Come here, I just want to left money like farm, man.
No, it's not like me left with nobody. Me not left with him, you know. He left before me and them.
Left with somebody.
Okay, so.
See, I mix me up now. I got
no.
Sure. You never say you left with nobody.
Okay, so what you say? What you say?
You left after the man them left.
So why are you bringing that up? Me no know what going Ghana. Me no know what happened.
But you would have want to go without making known. If I say I'm not I'm sorry. You're the man that I want to see. I'm telling you, I try to make something like
Oh God.
You know, I use it. I'm going to know. Who going to build it?
No. Alright, me tell you what the hotel there, but me don't know the place name like that. I think the name some, me don't remember the name cause it's not a place that's so popular like that. Me don't really know the name, but me know the way there.
Just like be here for the phone because it's coming in the way you can't have time at night.
Alright.
So great, man. I know that. Come on, you drive out.
Huh?
Come on, you drive out.
So if you call her back when you drive out?
Alright, come on, you have to get there.
God. Me don't lay down when I tell her, say me I try put on my clothes from my car. You call me back, me and the day I try put on my clothes.
You must say, oh, you're going to struggle on the dress and something. You better let something happen to some. Come on, man. You don't need some primary with the option. Just come on.
Okay. Alright.
So, I'm going to move for now. I'm simple for now.
Let me just start up myself and I call her back.
I'm simple for
Let me just call her back when I don't put on my clothes.
I can't sleep on the phone.
I not say I can't sleep on the phone, but me just say me gonna call her back when me done me and leave out. I'll call you back.
So you have somebody who you want to talk to?
Huh?
You have somebody who you want to talk to for privacy?
Not necessarily, you know, but me did I do something else on my phone. Me did I pay attention to something in the meantime. I multitask. So let me call her back and me dey on the way. It's no biggie.
Yeah, man, I kind of compare the just balance what I know, man, right? It's a lot from the education. So,
Yeah, but me tell you something I do so yet then me I try to
I put on some stories of 5. But I give you the money that you can street from the one feeling again.
So after you tell somebody like that, you know, okay, you see what you want to see me? It's same way me no want to see you either.
Me, I want to see a drunker like you say, because it's your mother. What you're not going to do, you better you stay at Marina. Yeah? See you not turn again. What?
So why are you threatening me like this so that me confused about?
Your mother, big stinking pussy wall.
Why you treat me so for like you feel like so me have some weak fencer? Me don't know if because me so calm, make you feel like say, me don't know how you feel like seriously.
What you going to do? You feel like there's some boy where you're
A subscriber. I guess you know hear enough a while ago, you know. Who wanna think about it? Me know in the comment section, as me I telling you before, but one thing me have to say, yo, yeah, me I say I'm singer. As I say, if yo, man even go say much. Me not go say much right now. At the Irons Boss, at the Ironsing TV. For the first and 20 channel, subscribe and know what doors always open. You see me? Leave a comment in the comment section. Make me know. Make a reason about what go on. Make we talk about this and hear. Me don't know, cause me like this style. At the Irons Boss, I'm out.